Hello, good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. I am Karin from Karin Yoga Life, for those of you who don't know me, because I know we have quite a lot of new members, which is so awesome to have. So I am going live every Saturday morning at 10:30. Sometimes I will be talking about a wellness topic. Sometimes I will be doing yoga with you or meditation. So that's what these Saturday morning live chats are all about. So if you have a question you want me to answer, please let me know and I will try and incorporate it into one of my Saturday lives. So today I'm actually going to talk about one of the questions that I get asked most often, or often as a yoga teacher, and that is, what if it hurts? So people often ask me, well, I have knee pain. Do I move it? Do I rest it? What do I do if it hurts? And I thought that since May is Arthritis Awareness Month, I would talk about this topic today because I know lots of us, myself included, have various types of joint pain, which which we have to be mindful of whenever we're doing any type of exercise. But the good news is that yoga is one of the best kinds of exercise that you can do for yourself if you have joint pain, because generally the movement is gentle, controlled. You move with awareness. We're not moving super fast. At least the type of yoga that I teach, and we're still able to strengthen the muscles around the joints and also to stretch the muscles around the joints, which are two of the most important things to do if you actually have some kind of joint pain. So I'm talking really about osteoarthritis pain here. I'm not talking about if you have pain from a chronic disease or if you have an injury that you need to rest. I'm really talking about if you have pain from some sort of arthritis or other sort of non-chronic type of pain. So I'm really sharing some feedback that we got when we had a physical therapist, Susie Foreman, speak to our Bloom members. I think it was sometime last year. Susie came in and talked to us about how to manage joint pain. And one of the things that Susie said when I think I asked her this question is that when you have joint issues, you still should move the joints. When you have joint pain, and again, it's not from a chronic injury or a chronic illness, but it is still really important to move the joint as much as you possibly can. And what she said, or how she put it, was that if your pain level is 1 out of 10, 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10, even up to maybe a 4 or a 5 out of 10, it is still advised to keep moving the joint, gently, mindfully. And obviously, if you're, screaming in agony, that's probably not a good idea. But some amount of discomfort is still okay, up to about a 4 or 5 out of 10. But if you are feeling pain more than 5 out of 10, or if it gets, super intense, or if there's sharp pain, then no, we should not be moving that joint. You should probably be resting it and or, under the supervision of a doctor, find out what is the best protocol for you to be managing that injury. So in a nutshell, that is the recommendation from a physical therapist, that if it hurts, you still should be moving that joint if the pain level is less than 5 out of 10, because what this is doing is keeping the joint lubricated, it's keeping the joint nourished, it's strengthening the muscles around the joint, it's keeping it flexible. So you definitely still want to be moving and using that joint as much as you possibly can. So that is the short answer. Oops, my phone, 1 second. That is the short answer to the question of if it hurts, what do I do? Should I move it? So I just wanted to share this today, and I'm not seeing anybody with any questions about this. But if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and let me know. As I said, if you want to if you have any other questions that you want me to answer. So that's it for today. Just to remind you, we have a Bloom event coming up at the end of the month, Art Making with Denise Robinson. I'm going to be sharing more about that. And so please save the date, Saturday the 29th. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye.